Yeah, but what are you doing? What you doing? Go ahead, go play. Go play.
Alright, that's Sadie Rishaw's mom and his little Havanese sis. That's a European, a Cuban bred dog. You've heard of them? She's going to be here in 30 minutes.
Where are you going? Where are you going, sweetheart? Oh, you come and sit with me? All right. What are y'all doing? What are y'all in? Come on. Come on. Come on. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are y'all going? What y'all doing? Oh, what are y'all doing? Who are you fussing about? Huh? Who are you talking to? Where are you going? You got a new friend? Oh, you got a new playmate? Come on, Grisham. Come on, Grisham. Come on, Grisham. Come on, Grisham.
Come on, Charlie. Let's do in this kennel. Charlie, come, good boy. Charlie.
Where you going, huh? What's he doing? What's he doing?
Charlie! This way, Mr. Down. Boy. I really think you'll be okay out there, buddy. Drop your water down. You're a good boy. Good boy, Gabe. He's to go get the toys. Go here, Bubby. Oh, Bella, you took it? Isn't that cute?
Yeah, she's cute.
Bella, you get it, Bells. Get it? No, Bella not get it. I'll team up with some over. I'll team my old girl too. Teddy going home. Let me go scoop these yards. You know what I need, sir? God, we God. Come on, Zena. Come on, babe. So where's the new thing? Come on, May. Come see Mason. Oh, I love that haircut. Come on, boy. There you go. Sister, who's doing that? Is that Princess? Come on, Mason.
Come on. Good puppy, come on. Let's go, come on. Good
Oh, he is
puppy.
precious.
Good
Oh, I
baby.
could eat this up.
Come on. Puppy. Oh, come on. He's a good boy.
Mason.
Very good boys. Oh, I
Mason, where's your toys? Come see me. Spencer said I'm staying up on the lap.
He's so cute.